When disaster strikes and flood or fire devastates your space, you deserve a fast solution. Coping with the damage a disaster brings and restoring your prized possessions is something best left to the professionals. We pride ourselves on being able to respond quickly and efficiently to restore your lifestyle with minimal disruption. Our team of experts are fully trained in all the latest restoration processes. Contact us today to get started.